In this video, I will show how to generate an unlimited number of sidebars and place them on any page you wish in your WordPress website. So search this Ocean Custom Sidebar. Search this plugin, install and activate. As we can see here, this plugin, and using this plugin you can generate an unlimited number of sidebars and place them on any page you wish. Go to theme panel, sidebars to create your custom sidebars. So this is the popular and easy to use plugin to create unlimited sidebar. Install and activate and give a try. And guys, share your experience. Hopefully you like this video. This is the video we learn how to create custom sidebar. Thanks for watching.